Hello everyone. Let's see how to configure a component remote device. A CRD is a module used as an I/O adapter in each pair of high-availability soft DPAC devices. It includes 3 external Ethernet ports, service port and dual port, with an Ethernet backplane. Note that only dual ports support RSTP, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol. The CRD module is configurable from Physical Devices Editor for the topology part, and HW configuration section for the I/O configuration. A high-availability soft DPAC supports up to 8 CRDs. Open EcoStruxure Automation Expert. Go to Physical Devices and start a discovery view. We can see the CRD that is present on the network. Ensure that your firewall doesn't block the communication with your target machine and that your CRD is connected. Add the device to your project. Now click on Start Monitoring, then right-click on your device to configure security and enter the credentials. By default, the username is installer and the password is installer1. A green shield indicates that your CRD is secured. Here is a little tip: you can implement a level of priority on your CRD. Navigate to RSTP priority and set it to participant. Then go to Configure Device Settings, where you'll notice that the RSTP service is not synchronized. Select Apply, and your device will restart. Now RSTP service is synchronized. Go to the Hardware Configuration panel. Add a new bus master by using the icon Add New Master Hardware CAT, or by right-clicking on the panel, then click on Add. Select Hardware Common Bus Master Remote IOs. Add a bus coupler remote IOs by using the icon Add New Hardware CAT, or by right-clicking on Bus Master Remote IOs. Go to Properties and replace on the Deploy URI and IP address column with the CRD's IP address. Right-click on Bus Coupler Remote IOs and add a Bus Coupler Remote IOs XBUS. You need to go on Local Bus Out. Then choose the desired backplane. In this tutorial, we will use the BMEXBP0800. And finally select the same modules as on your backplane, including a power supply, a CPU, a digital input module and a digital output module, or even an analog input and output module. Finally, set the correct slot number for each module. If you're unsure about where to find the slot number, you can directly check on the backplane. You can drag and drop your different symlink variables from your solution and link it to each input/output of your device. Open Deploy and Diagnostic. Compile. Login. Deploy. And run. To ensure that your CRD is functioning properly, check that Info column and verify that the diagnostic status is indicated as Online. This will confirm that your CRD is in good working condition. That's it. Now you know how to configure a component remote device.